Trees are beautiful, valuable parts of our landscape. They provide shade, clean the air, and add to our property value. But sometimes trees become a problem. They might be diseased, damaged in a storm, or simply just too close to our homes. That's when tree removal becomes necessary. This guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. We'll cover everything from the initial assessment to the final cleanup, explaining the steps involved and why they are important. Understanding the process can make it a whole lot less stressful and ensure the job is done safely and correctly. Whether you're a homeowner facing a difficult decision about a tree or just curious about the process, this guide will give you the information you need. Let's get started. The first step is to call in a certified arborist. This professional is trained to assess the health and safety of trees. The arborist will examine your tree for signs of disease, decay, or structural instability. They'll consider the tree's location, size, and overall condition. If the tree poses a risk to your home, power lines, or people, removal might be the only option. The arborist will discuss your options, which might include pruning, cabling, or bracing as alternatives to complete removal. They will also determine if any permits are required for the work. Tree removal often requires permits from your local council. These permits ensure that the removal is done safely and according to local regulations. Your arborist will handle the permit applications for you. It's also important to consider your neighbors. Talk to them about the tree removal and address any concerns they might have. Be mindful of property lines and make sure the work won't negatively impact their property. Remember that trees play a vital role in the environment. Discuss with your arborist about minimizing the impact of the removal. They might suggest planting a new tree or taking steps to protect the surrounding area. On the day of the removal, the tree care crew will arrive with specialized equipment. First, the area around the tree will be cleared for safety. This might involve moving outdoor furniture, vehicles, or other obstacles. Just to make sure everything is out of the way, the crew will use ropes, harnesses, and chainsaws to carefully dismantle the tree. They'll start by removing branches, working their way down from the top. Larger sections of the trunk will be lowered to the ground with ropes. Safety is paramount during the entire process. The crew will wear protective gear, and the area will be clearly marked to prevent accidents. It's important to stay a safe distance away while the work is being done. Once the tree is down, the crew will remove the stump and debris. They can grind the stump below ground level or remove it entirely, depending on what's best for your yard. The wood chips and branches can be left for mulch or hauled away, depending on your preference. The area where the tree stood might need some restoration. The crew can help with soil improvement and regrading. You might choose to plant a new tree or create a different landscaping feature. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your yard healthy. Water new plantings regularly and monitor for signs of pests or diseases. By following these steps, you can enjoy a beautiful and safe outdoor space for years to come. Don't hesitate to ask your arborist any questions you have throughout the process. Their expertise will ensure a smooth and successful tree removal. Remember, proper tree care is an investment in the health and beauty of your property.